This is a small contribution from State Bank of India towards the people of Goa, and today we have contributed for the cost of oxygen tanker 70 lakhs rupees, and our Chief Minister sir is doing great job in saving the life of the people, and this is a small contribution from bank side. Also we have contributed from our staff individually, they have contributed for this also. Thank you. This is 31 lakh liter.
Congratulations for the SBI staff on the occasion of the 66th SBI day. They have handed over the check of ₹70 lakhs which they have contributed towards the oxygen tanker for the government of the Goa. Also, I am congratulating them personally. They have contributed their salary of the one-day salary for the PM Care Fund, and they have donated to the PM Care and last pandemic. Today they have contributed for the Chief Minister Relief Fund in these pandemic conditions. The SBI is always supportive for the government of Goa in the pandemic. So once again, our thanks from to the SBI, whole SBI family, behalf of the government of the Goa, behalf of the people of the Goa. And once again, congratulations for their progress in the state of Goa on the occasion of the 66th SBI Day.